I'll be straightforward to you. No longer a same type of a player. Maybe a year of 5-7 years ago, 6-7 years ago, or 8 years ago. A totally different player. The age is no longer on his side. You can't go to Chiefs or Pirates. You will be under pressure. There's a lot of Nkulumanga Pirates. There's youngsters who are speedy, very dynamic. They've got individual brilliancy. So you keep up and down. He's no longer a type of player low. Opesi will get away with this 1v1. A different player, like Opesi was dedicated, coachable. Yes, talent. Ubongambala talented players. Beganele futhi left omusha, but I believe mina ukuthi Opesi was dedicated, living a clean life, and also coachable. Ngendlela ngambona ngayo ngoba ngambona adlala ku Tigers. I saw him kwele Stangwana there esikhathini lapha noScar. I saw Phesi all of the sudden boom bengambhekanga ukuthi angaba ilongwenya leyo mina yabo. So but wangimangaza wa progressa nje umfana ngespeed, but ukuphendula he can't go to Pirates. He will be so under pressure. If he says 400,000, it's a give and take phela. The 400,000 there, if they give it to you my expectations, they will say we'll give you that money, but you must earn for this. If you're not gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, we terminate the contract with immediate effect. Igu Pirates is gonna be difficult. Igu tired. Kaizer Chiefs surrounding you, sign him, yes. Does he have those legs anymore? Can he carry the team? Sundowns, you humble yourself. Sundowns can give him a job. You shoot after football. There's many legends who are there.
And he's got a history with the club.
Yes. So humble yourself. You're not gonna get 400K. Maybe try your luck, but for me, I don't think he worth that in terms of playing. Yeah, well,
he comes from Qatar as Al Ahly, so he's used to that money. In fact, angabe usinika a discount South Africa makafuni 400 ngoba yena bekahola ngamadola yabo. So yeah, of course it's based on how you play. It's based on your performances.
It's not good to we give because we are ngada.
Yeah.
Because before we sign you, we do analysis, we sit down. What is it going to bring?
Yeah.
Opa made you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.